That's right, bitches. Check that out. Holy cow. Had some extra paint lying around. A few white spray cans and stuff like that. And I had like this cool little red color. Candy apple red for the wheels. I looked on YouTube and saw some Jacobsen Imperial 26 videos. And well, there was a couple of color schemes, I think 3 different ones, all red with a white chute and white panel, and then they flipped it the opposite way where it's a white body with the burgundy or red panel and the red chute. So I figured I'd go with the white. I never had a white snowblower before, you know. It came out pretty good, man. Had some chrome spray paint too, sprayed the handles. That is way different than when I got it, wasn't it? Anyway, man, you guys know it runs great, but I couldn't get the self-propulsion to work. I just couldn't figure it out, so I put it on its face and looked around, and I couldn't see the another belt. You know how the new ones have a belt to drive the auger plate. This plate actually doubles as the friction disc as well as the auger plate. So basically, if you want this thing to move, the engine's on, right? And that's why they have this handle where it's locked. So once it's locked like this, right, the friction disc doesn't touch the plate, so it's not going to go anywhere. Once you engage the clutch like this, right, the disc spins and spins the impeller as well as the gear for the auger, right? And then when you release this, the wheel touches the plate and moves with that. It's amazing, really. This one sticks a little once you get to this area here. Well, actually, that worked out okay. But then it kind of grabs on because there's a little nick on the axle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it on its face, and I'm going to use a file and kind of smooth it out so that it kind of glides right over the little divot, if you will. I'm going to try that and see if that kind of works. But other than that, even if I don't fix that, you know, I got this for free. Painted it to almost original colors. Pretty good restoration, I would say. Maybe I'll sell this for a couple $100. But from the YouTube videos that I did watch, it looked like this thing could really blow. You know, the old ones like these, they really do a good job. You know, not like the new ones where the slushy heavy snow, you really struggle with it sometimes. It gets caught up and stuck in there. I don't know, maybe I'll keep it. Nah, I'm not gonna keep it. What am I gonna keep it for? I'm in the business of making money, selling. I mean, it's nice though, you know. Maybe I'll fetch a good price for it. Anyway, I'm gonna flip it on its face and grind out that transaxle a little bit. So I put a carpet there so that my new white paint job doesn't get all scratched up. It's got a few actually. Divot there. Some scrapes over here, so it's not smooth to roll. Also, when I have this engaged, when it's driving, only this side spins. So I'm wondering if maybe there's a keyway on this one. You see how that freewheels like that? This one doesn't. So I think this side's missing a keyway. So I'm going to take the wheel off after I grind that down a little bit. So I basically took this file and just kind of filed it down, you know. There you go. Like that. just to get that nick a little bit smoother, you know what I'm saying? That dimple. Before, it had a notch right there that was hitting as you were going back and forth. So now that it's kind of smoothed out, right? It's a little bit smoother. Before, you wouldn't even be able to do it, see? Now it sticks a little, but at least it moves, you know, with a little bit of elbow grease. I'm going to continue filing just a little bit more, but then that pretty much fixes this a little bit better. I'm going to take that wheel off and find out if it has a keyway in it. Put the panel back on. I'm going to take that cotter pin out. There it is right there. Needs a keyway in there. Just happened to have one from a lawnmower. There you go. See? You can line it up with the notch right there. Put it back on. So now look. Now both wheels are going to spin when the drive is engaged. Problem fixed. All you needed was a keyway. And that's how you install a keyway so that both wheels will move. This acts like a brake lever, actually. Put that back on. Anyway, this thing's all set now. Did a pretty good job on this Jacobsen Imperial 26.
Hold on, there's
that
more.
I got for free. That's right, free. Nice. Anyway, see you guys next time. Mowers and blowers. Oh, just one more thing. You remember I told you that the electric start didn't work? It grounded up, you know, in the beginning of that first video where it just went, you know, like it's grinding gears. I thought the gear was stripped, so I thought I'd address it. I was about to order a new gear, but so basically I just wanted to take a look at it. So I removed the 3 screws in there, right? And I noticed that this one over here was very loose. So if that's very loose, it's not going to make perfect contact. When I took this the motor off, the gear was fine, you know. So I basically used my Black & Decker impact and connected it and electric start works just from tightening the screw. How about that? Anyway, see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers again. Hey guys, thanks for watching, man. Follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. See you guys next time.